Kimi, ibinahagi ang mga taong nagpasaya at nagpaiyak sa kanya sa taong 2023.
Wala na yung love lock pero tayo pa rin. Thank you.
Nagbahagi ang kapamilya actress at It's Showtime host na si Kim Chiu ng ilang special moments sa kanyang 2023 video recap sa isang social media post. Sa kanyang Instagram account, ibinahagi ni Kim ang ilang memorable moments na kanyang naranasan sa nakaraan na taon. So many things can happen in a year and 2023 was an example for me. 365 days of emotions, up, side, down. It was an intense year of personal growth. It tested my faith and a lot of learnings, wins and losses. I couldn't gather all my emotions, which felt overwhelming. So many sentimental moments, breakdowns and breakthroughs. Saad ng actress at host. Nagpahayag din ng pasasalamat ang 33 taong gulang na personalidad sa lahat ng mga taong nakasama, nakatrabaho at naging kaibigan niya sa buong taon. I am thankful for all the amazing people I work with, perfectly amazing people surrounding me as well and met again new friends. Ani Kim sa post. Dagdag pa nito, I am grateful for all the trust and opportunities given to me. I am thankful for the heights and also grateful for the lows. Life comes by surprise and it's up to you how you walk through it. To everyone who supported me along the way, please know that I am deeply thankful and I appreciate each one of you. Pagpapatuloy ng actress. Nagbigay naman ng shoutout ang television personality sa ilang memorable moments na kanyang 2023 tulad ng pagiging host sa Korean-Filipino idol search show na Dreammaker, mga hit series nila na Linlang at Ficheck at ang pasilip sa nalalapit nitong Korean series adaptation na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim ng ABS-CBN Studios at View Philippines. Plus, I am thankful that in 2023, I was a Nuna, Dreammaker to my Dream Chaser babies, getting you into the colorful existence of Melanie De La Cruz, Ficheck, and entering the dark world of Juliana Luwalhati, Linlang, plus a glimpse of the charming life of Secretary Kim. What's wrong with Secretary Kim? Sad nito. Tinapos ni Kim ang kanyang mensahe so humihiling na mas maganda at mas masayang 2024 para sa kanya. I am forever grateful. Hashtag 2023. You are differently amazing. Hashtag 2024. Please be more amazing. Anya. Bilang sa recap ng actress ay ang mga behind the scene photos at videos ng kanyang pictorials, events, endorsements, tapings at personal schedules na siyang nagpabisi dito sa nagdaang taon. Ibinahagi rin ni Kim ang ilang memorable Hong Kong trip videos kasama ang kanyang noontime show family at ang mga reunion moments kasama ang mga kaibigan na sina Bella Padilla at Angelica Panganiban nung kasal nito at New Year's celebration. Kapansin-pansin din sa video ang ilang larawan ng actress na lumuluha at ilang heartfelt moments kasama ang pamilya at ang kapatid na kamakailan lamang ay sumailalim sa operasyon. Napansin din ng ilang fans at followers ng actress ang isang snippet video ni Kim kasama ang ex-boyfriend nitong actor na si Sian Lim na sweet na tinitingnan ang isa't isa. Matatanda ang bago sumapit ang Pasko ay inanunsyo ng longtime celebrity couple ang kanilang paghihiwalay sa kani-kanilang post. Well, masasabi ngang hindi bitter si Kim Chiu dahil kahit ang ex-jowa nitong si Sian Lim ay ipinost pa rin niya at isinama sa naging recap nito. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.